Wait, don't you wish sometimes you were actually there?
Well, it is possible using Filmora, and it's actually so simple to do. Let me show you how. So firstly, what you want to do is you want to drag and drop your clip into the timeline, and then you want to go until you want the effect to start. So in the intro of this video, that is about right here. Now, you can do this in two ways. You can either just take a photo of yourself and then put it in AI, but if you want a more seamless transition like the intro of this video, let me show you how you do that. So once you selected this frame, you want the effect to start, you simply go here to your tools here, right below your preview image, and you'll see this little camera icon here. Once you press on it, it's gonna basically take a snapshot of that frame. So you can just say save, and then you'll see it will appear here in your media file. So now you have an exact snapshot of your frame. So now you can go cut the video there, and then you can go and put in this snapshot. So basically the reason I'm doing this is because that effects only works on photos. So you can't give it a video and it will do what it does. You have to have a photo. So then once you have your photo, you want to come over here to effects, and then you want to go to AI effects. Now, as you guys can see, Filmora has put in a lot of new effects regarding the new football that's going on around the world. And let me drag and drop this one I did in the intro of this video. So all you have to do is simply drag and drop that on top of the photo, and then you can simply say generate. Okay, so it is completely done generating now, and it will give you a new clip like this. Now all you have to do is simply delete the screenshot, and you can drag and drop this new AI clip into your timeline, and it will look something like this. There you go. I mean, how cool is that? It even replicated the color of my shirts and everything like that, which I think is pretty cool. And now obviously there is a bunch of AI stuff you can use to play around with. If you can go back to effects, you'll see the different stuff it already has generated. So this one obviously for the intro of this video, and then this one is also one I generated, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, if you want to create some fun AI videos regarding the football that's going on around the world, Filmora has you covered. And to take a photo like that and to transform it into this with a click of a button is next level. But yeah, if you guys don't understand, please just drop it in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to get 50% off Filmora, link will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.